resistance, a condition where your cells ignore the hormone that regulates your energy. But groundbreaking research reveals that specific foods can reprogram your metabolism. Today, you'll discover how to turn your plate into a tool for healing. Insulin resistance isn't just about blood sugar, it's a cascade of chaos. When your cells become deaf to insulin, glucose floods your bloodstream, inflames your organs, and silently primes your body for diabetes, heart disease, and chronic fatigue. But here's the truth. Food isn't just fuel. It's information that tells your cells how to behave. Living with insulin resistance feels like running uphill in quicksand. You're exhausted, hungry, even after meals, and trapped in cravings for sugar and carbs. Many try quick fixes, cutting calories, popping supplements, or relying on medications that don't address the root cause. But here's the catch. Not all healthy foods are allies. For example, fruit smoothies packed with fructose or whole grain breads spiking glucose faster than candy. Even stress and poor sleep worsen the problem by flooding your body with cortisol, a hormone that blocks insulin. The real challenge? Knowing which foods act like keys to unlock your cells and which ones are jamming the locks. Start with high-fiber foods: broccoli, flax seeds, and raspberries. Soluble fiber forms a gel in your gut, slowing sugar absorption. But it's not just about slowing down. Fiber feeds your gut microbiome, which produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. A 2023 study in Cell Metabolism found butyrate increases insulin sensitivity by 30% by calming inflammation in fat cells. Next, healthy fats: avocados, almonds, and extra virgin olive oil. These fats rebuild cell membranes, making them more responsive to insulin. A Harvard study found replacing just 5% of saturated fats with polyunsaturated fats, like walnuts, reduced insulin resistance by 22%. Even dark chocolate, 70% cocoa, works. Its flavonoids improve blood flow to insulin-producing pancreas cells. Lean proteins like wild-caught salmon, lentils, and Greek yogurt do double duty. They slow digestion, preventing glucose spikes, while providing amino acids like leucine that repair insulin-damaged tissues. A trial in nutrition and diabetes showed high-protein diets reduced fasting insulin levels by 20% in 12 weeks. Don't underestimate spices. Turmeric's curcumin blocks NF-κB, a protein that drives inflammation and insulin resistance. Cinnamon contains methyl hydroxychalcone, a compound that mimics insulin, helping cells absorb glucose. 1 teaspoon daily lowered HbA1c by 0.8% in a diabetes care study, equivalent to some medications. Add fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut. Their probiotics boost gut diversity, which a 2021 Stanford study linked to a 40% lower risk of insulin resistance. The bacteria in fermented foods also produce enzymes that break down sugars before they hit your bloodstream. The top 5 power foods. Number 1. Fatty fish. Salmon and sardines are packed with EPA and DHA, omega-3s that reduce liver fat, a major cause of insulin resistance. A Journal of Nutrition study found 2 servings weekly lowered resistance by 33%. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Its acetic acid slows starch digestion and increases muscle glucose uptake. A 2024 meta-analysis showed vinegar before meals slashed post-meal glucose by 34%, better than some drugs. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes cell membranes so insulin can unlock them. Low magnesium levels are linked to a 37% higher diabetes risk. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect insulin-producing beta cells. A BMJ study found 3 servings weekly reduced diabetes risk by 26%. Number 5. Nuts. Walnuts and pistachios improve insulin signaling thanks to their magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats. A Penn State trial saw participants' insulin sensitivity jump 28% after 4 weeks of daily nuts. Take Mark, a firefighter who reversed his prediabetes in 6 months by adding these foods. His fasting glucose dropped from 112 to 88, no medication. "Food saved my life," he says. Your diet isn't just about avoiding sugar. It's about arming your cells with the tools to heal. Fiber shields, fats rebuild, protein stabilizes, and spices amplify. This is biology, not guesswork. Ready to take control? Comment below. Which power food surprised you most? Then hit subscribe. Next week, we're debunking the healthy snacks that secretly worsen insulin resistance. Don't miss it.